The Karakoram Mountains, a range as vast as it is unforgiving. Yet, for many beings, this place is home. Adapted as they may be to life on these cliffs, this herd of Himalayan ibex must remain alert, for they may not be alone. The herd has wandered into the territory of a snow leopard, and they can begin to sense it. The hunt's on. While the fittest climb quickly to safety, the stragglers are left behind and in grave danger. This is the circle of life. As old as the mountains themselves, this ritual of death for the continued life of another is the fundamental force which sustains all beings on our planet. As we work together to conserve these mountain ecosystems, we must remember that not only are these places important as habitat for snow leopards and other wildlife, but also for the millions of people living downstream who depend on this area's precious glacier water for their livelihoods and their drinking water. Because of this interconnectedness, when we work to protect one species, we are also protecting many other species in the ecosystem, including our own, allowing our communal story as animals on this earth another page in the history of our planet.